I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. So we're here to discuss today the high achievers. These are people in your team that are always way ahead. So let's discuss exactly what we can do for them. The beauty of having high achievers is they can be seen as a model of excellence within the team as long as they are a model of excellence. So the team need to learn off them what they're doing, what they're saying, how they conduct their business, how they look after their state and their mindset, how they look after their territory, how they set themselves up for success. The beauty of having high achievers is that everybody else can look at them and see them as the place they need to go. Now, the downside of the high achiever is you've got a high flight risk. They might be bought by the competitor or somewhere else. So how do you keep that person motivated? So you need to understand exactly what motivates that person to stay in the job and make sure that you're just a little bit ahead of them, always taking them to the next level. It might be that you need to change the territory that they're on or not. It might be that you need them on a highly skilled motivational course on high communication skills or sales mastery or leadership or something like that. But you can't just guess and just roll it out to everybody. You need to know what it is that's keeping this person on the front foot and highly motivated, and then make sure that you're always a step ahead of them to take them there. Therefore, the flight risk is low, but the ability for them to pass on their skills to others remains very high. If you want more tips on how to look after your high achievers and how to set them up as a model of excellence, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.